What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. I've been looking forward to cracking open these boxes all week, so this is the box break. Got the sealed box right here, Crown Royal. Sealed box of Donruss. You can see still got the wrapping. And Absolute SSD, still sealed. Now, we'll go ahead and start off. Let's go from the back to the front. So I'll start off with the 98 Absolute SSD, see if we can't pull that Peyton Manning or maybe even a Randy Moss. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this open. The rules are pretty simple. Really, whatever jersey the player's in is what team is going to get the card. So I know this is over multiple years, but I can't think of anyone. Maybe let's say Randy Moss. If he's in a Vikings jersey in '98, he's going to go to the Vikings. But if in 2011 he's in the Titans jersey, he's going to go to the Titans for that particular card. So whatever jersey the player's in is what team is going to get that particular card. So let me go ahead and crack this open. There's a good chance to get some old players. I mean, Marino's on the front cover, so maybe we can see some Aikmans. I don't know if Barry Sanders is still around. We can see if we can get some Barry or something like that. 3 cards per pack. This is a hobby exclusive pack right here. The whole box is hobby. So let's go ahead and start it off. See what we can get. Jerome Pathan. That's a rookie card there. Sorry. Let's check and see if it was numbered. Ken Dilger. Royale Anthony. See if you guys even remember those guys. Those old school people here. Ray Caruth. Uh-oh. Lamar Smith. There's a rookie card. Tony Simmons. I'm going to try to do this as fast as possible. We got a lot of cards to open, so. Craig Hayward. We got another rookie card. Chris Floyd. Danny Cannell. Next one, check that out. Marshall Faulk. And yes, he did play with the Rams, but since he is in a Colts jersey in this card, this will go to the Colts. So he may not have got Peyton Manning yet, but you did get a Marshall Faulk. Jack has a green rookie card from the Gators. Look at Warren Sapp with that fantastic afro. I'm filming this on my iPhone, so excuse me if I drop it. Try my best not to shake this table here. Alright. Jamie Asher. Curtis Martin. Back on the Jets. Rod Smith. Old school Broncos receiver there. Oz Hakeem. Wayne Corbett. Tyrone Wheatley. Kerry Collins. This was going to the Panthers here. Zach Crockett. Ted Popson. Jeff Blake from the Bengals. Danny Warfel on the Saints. There's a Hall of Famer here, Steve Young from the Niners. E.G. Green rookie card from the Colts. I know not the one you're looking for, but still a rookie card. Hey, check this out. Playoff insert, Terrell Davis. It's pretty cool. Here's the back right here. And then Mike Allstott. In my opinion, the best fullback of all time. William Floyd. James Jett Red Zone insert card here. And check it out, another Hall of Famer. Oh no, I thought it was Jerry Rice. It's actually J.J. Stokes coming to trick me. There it is. It pays off. Peyton Manning's rookie card right here. Let's just take a look at this one because I know this is what you guys are looking for. Here's the back of it right here. Future Hall of Famer in the making, Peyton Manning. Very nice. Another rookie card of Scott Frost. And Bert Emanuel. Still a lot of packs left, so might get that Randy Moss, might get another Peyton, who knows. Robert Holcomb, it's a rookie card there. Keyshawn when he was back on the Jets. Before he was an announcer. O.J. McDuffie. Alright, Michael Westbrook. There's another Marshall Faulk. It's pretty nice there. And Mark Bruner from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Alright. Isaac Bruce. Starvin' Marvin Harrison. And Tiki Barber. A young Tiki Barber. And in case y'all are wondering what this is, it's just a little card that comes in here and says something about some guy named Boomer. Asked for some cards and they sent him some cards. Nothing very special there. Leslie Shepard. Alright, now this brings up a good point. Two different players, Cordell Stewart on one side, Robert Brooks on the other side. The way we split these up is the player to the left, the team on the left is going to get the card. So this one's going to go in particular to the Steelers. If it was a 4-player card, it'd go to the top left. And if it was one player on one side, one player on the other side, it'd go to the player on the front of the card, which would be the one with the number on it. So this particular card is going to go to the Steelers, Cordell Stewart, and Robert Brooks. And Mark Shimura. Sorry guys, try to speed this up as much as possible. Pat Johnson rookie card. Yep, Barry Sanders is in here. Nice little insert of Barry Sanders. Kimball Anderson. Alright, Curtis Conway. Byron Hansford. This is just to enter some sweepstakes. Warwick Dunn. And that's him in a Bucks uniform, so that was with the Bucks, and this is our last pack actually. Let's just show you guys. Let's see what we got here. Fred Lane, Keith Byers, and last but not least, Elvis Grbac. So that was that. Now check it out. 2010 Crown Royal sealed box. It's a hobby box, 5 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. 2010. See what we can get out of here. Alright. Here's all the packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to show you guys, that's all of them. Alright. Start with pack number 1. I think some of you guys are looking for Tim Tebow. See if we can pull out a Tim Tebow. Hey, not too bad. Percy Harvin. What's this here? Football 2010 Panini Crown Royale rookies. Expires 4/27/2012. So you guys can still redeem this. Scratch off and redeem online at www.paniniamerica.com. Doesn't say what it is, so we'll see what to do about this one. Thinking I'm going to scratch it off and see what it is, and whoever's card it goes to, I'll send it their way. If y'all know another way to do it, please feel free to message me on YouTube or on eBay, either one. Derek Morgan rookie card from the Tennessee Titans. Here's a Larry Little from the Dolphins. Tony Romo royalty card. And Andre Johnson. Yeah, let me know if you know a way to see just what that card is. If there's no way to say it says card number 214, maybe I can just look it up on here. Hold on a second. There's a checklist. 214. RPS rookies. Montario Hardesty. So, I don't know if you can read that. Probably can't. But 214 is Montario Hardesty. So, figure that out. I think that's the Browns. I'll look it up just to be sure. I'll send it to the right person. LaShawn McCoy. There's a Reggie Wayne royalty with the jersey swatch in the middle right here. Good day to be a Colts fan. Got that Peyton Manning rookie. Got that Reggie Wayne jersey card. This is number 234/299. Joe Hayden rookie card. Jarrett Brown rookie card. Got an insert of Matt Ryan here, Kings of the NFL. Beanie. 2 packs left. So far, so good. See if we can get another hit here. Jay Cutler. There's one. Wow, old school. Tom Rathman. Got the jersey swatch in the middle. Old fullback for the 49ers. 199 to 299. Cool card there. Brandon Spikes has a rookie card from the Patriots. Living Legends, John Randall. We have Robert Meekum. And T.O. Last card from Crown Royal. We'll move on to the Donruss. David Garrard. Here's another one that says Signatures Blue, card number 197. I'll look that up here in a minute. That's going to be an autograph card, so that's pretty nice. Sean Canfield. Says he's a free agent rookie. I don't know. I'll look up what team he ended up going to and put that in there. CJ Spiller. Jamal Charles. And Dwayne Bowe. Alright, let's see what this is. 197, right? Got the checklist here. Says it's a Signatures Blue card set. 197. Rookies, number 197 is Trent Williams. So I think that's the card that it's going to be. And I'll send that to the right team as well. That way you guys can redeem that one online. It expires 4/27/2012, so you got some time to do that. Donruss 2011 Elite. Last hobby box here. I'm going to crack this open. Cool. Sorry, no Tebow on that last pack, but we'll see what we can do here if we can get some good rookies out of this pack. Checklist, I guess that does come in handy. 20 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Let's start with pack number 1. Chad Johnson. Guess they don't want to call him Ocho Cinco anymore. Rashard Mendenhall. Legends of the Fall, Ben Roethlisberger. Craftsman, Michael Turner. LaShawn McCoy. There's Tim Tebow. Supposed to be in the other box, man. What are you doing? Steve Johnson. Mark Sanchez. Josh Freeman. Matt Forte. Peyton Manning. We got Aaron Rodgers. LeGarrette Blount. Here's a rookie card. Prince Amukamura. I think that's how you say it. Giants. Giants rookie card here. Sorry, I just wanted to see if it was numbered real quick. It's not. Still a nice card. Danny Amendola. MJD. Matt Castle. Joe Flacco. Roddy White. McNabb. Tom Brady. Here we go. Mario Manningham. Josh Cribbs. Peyton Manning, Craftsman. Oh, here's a nice rookie. Niles Paul from the Redskins is number 299. Just make sure I didn't miss the number on that other one. In the meantime, Steve Smith, Zach Miller. Let me just check real fast. Here it is. Yeah, I did miss it. Wow. Really low numbered card. 15 of 21. Nice. Fred Jackson. LaDainian. Here we go. Turn of the century rookie autograph. Ronald Johnson from the 49ers. This one's number 313 of 499. Michael Turner. Maud Bradshaw. Alright. Felix. Frank Gore. Shane Vereen rookie card. Well, this one's number 2. 159.99. Benson. Mike Wallace. Arian Foster. Nate Washington. Ray Lewis hit list. Matt Stafford. Wes Welker. Mike Tolbert. Greg Jennings. Chris Johnson. Tony Romo. John Carlson. Ronnie Brown. This one go to the Dolphins. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Hey, nice. Rookie of Andy Dalton. This one's numbered 678 of 999. So I got that Andy Dalton rookie card here. Here's the back. Bengals round 2 pick. Here's Reggie Wayne. Larry Fitzgerald. Javi Best. Steven Jackson. Jamal Charles. It's a jersey card of Nate Washington. Here it is right here. Jersey swatch. Down and distance. This is numbered 145 of 299. If you didn't already see, Drew Brees. Michael Crabtree. Percy Harvin. D'Angelo Williams. Another Ray Lewis hit list. Jay Cutler. Jeremy Maclin. Colt McCoy. Antonio Gates. Donald Driver. Tavares Jackson. Jonathan Stewart. Sorry about that. Anquan Bolden. Hakeem Nicks. There's a hit list of Ed Reed. All the hit list is the Ravens, I guess. Power Formula CJ Spiller insert card. Blank. Matt Schaub. Chris Cooley. There's about 5 more packs counting this one left, just eyeballing it. Mike Williams from the Bucks. Chad Henne. It's a rookie card. Ryan Whalen from the Bengals. Another Bengals rookie. 475, 999. Jason Campbell. Miles Austin. Braylon Edwards. Peyton Hillis. The rookie. Colin Kaepernick from the 49ers. Deshaun Jackson. Brandon Lloyd. By the way, I forgot to mention this one's numbered 466 of 999. Some good rookie quarterbacks. Let's see if Alex Smith can keep it up next year. Michael Vick. Calvin Johnson. Sam Bradford. There's a Craftsman with a jersey swatch of Mike Wallace. 152 of 299. Vernon Davis. Pierre Garçon. There's actually 3 more packs left, counting this one. Dwayne Bowe. Roddy White. Eli. Beanie. Johnny Knox. Kenny Britt. Adrian Peterson. The turn of the century rookie from the Browns, Greg Little. That guy had a pretty good year, right? Number 299. 239 out of 299. Autograph card here. Steve Breston. Marquez Colston. Last pack. Just to let y'all see. Nothing left in the box. Alright, let's get something good out of here. Phillip Rivers. Andre Johnson. So rookie card. Probably the last one. Aaron Williams from the Bills. 583 out of 999. Blank. Justin Forsett and David Garrard. So thanks guys for tuning in. Recap a little bit of what we have here. Aaron Williams rookie card. Just going to go over the numbered cards. Greg Little's autograph rookie card. Mike Wallace jersey card. Colin Kaepernick rookie card. Ryan Whalen. Kenny Britt's jersey card here. Andy Dalton rookie. Shane Vereen rookie. Ronald Johnson autograph rookie. Prince Amukamara. Niles Paul. Tom Rathman swatch. Reggie Wayne jersey swatch. And last but not least, the man himself, Peyton Manning. What's going to happen to him next year? Who knows? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Check out more of my box breaks. Lone Star Pickers will have some more up this coming week. And also let me know what you guys want to see. If you want more 2011, you want more boxes where they switch the years, like this one, multi-year breaks, let me know. I'll make it happen. Thanks a lot, guys.